Relative keys are pairs of major and minor scales that share the same key signature, meaning they have the same amount of sharps and flats. They have a close musical relationship. Understanding this concept will enhance your compositions and improvisations. Let's explore how they work. So every major key has a relative minor key and vice versa. To find the relative minor key, you have to start on the sixth note of its corresponding major scale. So to demonstrate this, if we take the C major scale, C, D, E, F, G, A, B, the relative minor would be A, because A is the sixth note of the C major scale. Because if I were to number all the notes of the C major scale, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, then this will be. Now let's have a closer look at how relative major and minor keys sound and how to play them. So here's the C major scale, and here's the A minor scale, which is relative minor. These scales share the same key signature, which means they use the same notes, but they have different starting and ending points. So the C major has a more upright and bright sound compared to the A minor, which has a more melancholic and sad sound. Understanding relative keys opens up numerous possibilities in music composition and performance. You can use relative keys to transition between major and minor moods in your pieces, creating contrast and emotional depth. Whether you're a composer, improviser, or performer, knowing how to navigate between relative major and minor keys will expand your musical palette. Once again, thank you for watching, and subscribe to our channel for more tips and tricks.